Hello everyone, in this video we are going to know more about what is the human body made up of. As we have seen in previous that human body is covered with skin and hair, as and under this skin bone and muscles are found, and under the bone and muscle organs are found, and under the this organ is made up of cell. Now we will move from cell to organ, that how this organ is made up from cell. Now we will understand this, that this how this organ is made up from cell. So to understand this, we will understand this one in few steps. So take a cell, or suppose round cell. When I collect many cells together, these many cells are coming together, so this group of cell is forming tissue. Group of cell is forming tissue, and when this group of tissues are coming together, this group of tissues are coming together, and they will form organ. So what we can say, cell is a basic unit. Cell is a basic unit of life, and tissue a group of it is a group of it is a group of cell. It is a group of cell. And what is organ? It is a group of many tissues. Many tissues. Whenever we are saying organ, in your mind there should be clear image that what are these organs. Let us take some examples of this organ. They are heart, kidney, liver, stomach, and so on. So these all are organs. Now proceed from here, that this heart is first made up from this tissue, and this tissue is made up from cell. How? First you note down, then we will see how. To understand the concept, let us take two examples. Suppose I have given you an aim that you have to construct a room. You have to construct a room. Obviously, to construct a room you need some things. So what are the things here? First one, you need brick. So what do you need here? Brick or cement and sand. So by keeping them together, keeping them into a certain arrangement, you can construct. First you will take this brick, first you will construct the wall. So your step first is construct wall. So first you will make wall. So how you will make wall? First you will keep one brick, then second brick, then third brick, then fourth, Like this you can complete your wall. And this is only one wall, and to make a room we need more wall. So this is first step that we have made wall. After this, second step, we will combine this wall, means we will collect, and then it will form the room. We will combine these walls and then we can form the room. Like this. Similarly, if I have given you the aim that you have to construct an organ, so you need something. So first your aim is to construct an organ. So to construct an organ you need cell first. So when you keep these cells together, so when a group of cell is there, then it is become tissue. So first by collection of cell, tissues will form, and after the collection of tissues, organ will form. So many tissues will be there, means like there are 4 walls and here there are so many tissues. An organ means, example, they are forming heart, stomach, etc. Now after this, one more thing, these organs are combining together to form organ system. And here, as this is only one room and many rooms are there, when these rooms are combining together, so they are forming a house. Similarly, when these organs are combining together, they are forming an organ system. So this much only, note down this much. So now let us write the definition of tissue, that a group of cells is known as tissue. Now there are different type of tissue found in our body and they are having different jobs. Let us see one by one. So one kind of tissue, that is skin tissue, and as it is clear that this skin is protecting us from the outer environment. So one job of this skin tissue is to protect our inner part of bodies. Or inner organ also we can say. Second kind of tissue is muscles tissue, and its job is to help in movement of our body. This muscles tissue help in the movement of the body. Movement of body. And last one is bone tissue. And this bone tissue help to construct the body structure and give shape to the body. Now this organ, definition of organ: many tissues come together and form an organ. And form an organ. Why many tissues? Because to complete an organ, not only one tissue is responsible. There can be these two types, there can be these two types, there can be all three types. That's why here we have said that many tissues come together and form the organ. Example, simple example of organ is heart. Now to construct this heart, there are three type of tissues used to construct. Not only three, there can be more, but up to this level we will see only three. So first one is muscles tissue. Second, skin tissue. And third means some other tissues. So only this much, that muscle tissue, skin tissue and other tissues, these all tissues are coming together and forming our heart, and this all tissues are working together. These all tissues are working together and for what they are working? To continue our heartbeat. These all tissues are working together to continue our heartbeat. So let us take a revise that tissue is made up of a group of cell, and job of tissue, different tissues are having different job. Skin tissue, protector, inner organ, and it also covers the body. Muscle tissue, it helps in the movement of the body. And bone tissue, it gives shape and strength to our body. And last, organ, many tissues are coming together and they make organ. For example, heart is not only made up of single tissue, it is made up of three kind of tissues: muscle tissue, skin tissue and some other tissues which is not mentioned here. These all tissues are working together to let our heart beat continuously. As you can see that our heart is beating continuously, it is not taking rest. So thank you, I hope you understand. Then like to my video and subscribe to my video, and thank you.